Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Kit.
And this is our great British adventure, Manchester.
Let's go.
We've been together 13 years and we love to travel, but we've never been to the UK.
Follow along with us as we see the sights, meet the locals, and find our Great Britain.
I'm Carl Austin-Bean. I'm the former first openly gay Lord Mayor of Manchester. Let me show you around Manchester's gay village.
Excited to check it out.
This is the world famous Canal Street. This was made famous really from when Russell T Davies brought Queer as Folk to our screens.
Oh, yes.
A lot of the street filming was done on Canal Street, and that was a massive step forward for gay culture and also the gay scene here in Manchester.
It was such a huge show for me as a teenager in Mississippi, so it reached all the way across the pond.
It was groundbreaking. It really was groundbreaking. We've got so many different gay bars. Alan Turing has actually drank in here.
Oh my God. This is where he cracked the code.
Obviously. Manchester is an amazing, beautiful city. It's diverse. It's got an amazing culture right the way through it. Whatever walk of life you're from, there's something here for you in Manchester.
So many fun bars here.
There's like 1,000 bars here.
Where should we go next?
Let's go to New York, New York. Cheers.
Cheers! Welcome to New York, New York, the party palace of the world. I love this bar. I've been here 30 years. What makes Manchester's gay village fantastic is there is a huge variety. You know, you have cabaret on every night, you have great DJs on in the village. Manchester is party central.
This city knows how to party.
Welcome to the Spirit of Manchester Distillery. I'm Seb Healy, one of the co-founders and master distillers, and today we're going to make our own bottle of gin.
Cool. Awesome.
So making gin is a bit like making a stew. I always say that anything that works in food works in gin making. So let's discover what kind of things you want to distill with.
Pumpkin
Spice, cheers! Anything that grows is a botanical, so effectively you can distill with the 6 billion plants on this earth. So this is the point you officially become master distillers, is when you turn on that hot plate.
You ready, babe?
3, 2, 1.
I'm a master of my craft. Okay, so in 25 minutes, we'll have gin?
Yes, we'll be ready and you'll have your very own personal bottle of gin.
Oh, you want to try them?
Let's try it.
Cheers. Ooh, that's good.
Genuinely, I always say that this is the greatest city in the world. We drink and we party, and then we eat through the rest of it.
Hi, I'm Hayley.
Hey, nice to meet you.
So we're in the northern quarter of Manchester now, and I'm going to take you on a street art tour. So let's go this way.
Awesome.
The piece just behind me here is by Matthias Bailon, and it was part of a social justice campaign.
So the northern quarter is kind of like the Brooklyn of Manchester.
Pretty much. For about 30 years it really struggled, and it was actually street art in the area that helped revive it once again. Alright, so we're outside Affleck's Palace now, and all these mosaics are related to what happens in Manchester and people from here. So this is part of a trail of art which is marked by the rainbow mosaics along the floor that go all around the city.
So you can kind of go on a rainbow scavenger hunt to find the LGBTQ history in Manchester. This stuff is kind of like rad. This dress is money.
You're a fancy fox.
Oh, yes. How would you describe the northern quarter? What kind of neighborhood is this?
Bohemian and it's quite relaxed. It's all local artists and it's all kind of focused around Manchester. So these are some of mine here. So like the Grace Jones ones.
Oh my God! Oh, that's so cool. This is the weirdest, coolest little place that I've been in a long time.
Hi, welcome to Manchester and welcome to Mackie Mare. I am the manager of Reserve Wines, which is an independent wine merchant here in Manchester. Today I've got some wines for us to taste, so we're going to taste some amazing English sparkling wine.
Yeah, let's try it.
So can you tell us about the history of this building?
So Mackie Mare was erected in 1858. We've kind of retained Mackie Mare very much in the same style as it would have been back then.
I love all the different food stands and
all the different food stands. Everyone's independent, which is a brilliant thing.
Cheers.
This is my first English sparkling wine.
I hope it's not the last one. Wine is so diverse. Wines can be very masculine, wines can be very feminine, wines can be something entirely in between, just like human beings. Wine can be really queer. It doesn't have to always be as straight-laced as people think it needs to be.
How would you describe the gay scene?
Fun. I think the acceptance is so high that as a gay man or gay woman or whatever you identify yourself as, you can have a good time in Manchester and always feel safe. So we do have a very high ratio of LGBTQ representation in the city. Manchester, to me, is unique, is diverse, is freeing.
What an incredible trip. The LGBTQ community is really respected here. It seems like all of Manchester is really focused on community and coming together.
I think we have once again found our Great Britain.